I was at a stop sign and I was getting ready to turn left, and in the process of me turning left, a truck that was in front of me drove straight towards me. Like, no hesitation, kept going. Almost to the point where it pushed me back 5 feet. It was scary. Actually, I've been with you guys before. I had a good experience before, so I kind of like recommended you guys again. Awesome, actually. When I called you guys, y'all answered. It was no complaint at all. Everything went through smooth. Yes, sir. 100%. 10 out of 10 right there.